Okay, so apparently a washing machine can be a paper shredder. So I've written a very important number to me. I don't know about that. But it is, and it must be shredded. Oh, I've got a little Pooch here. Hey, Pooch. Hey. So they said to put it in like another stocking so that the paper doesn't go everywhere. I know you're there. And then put it into the washing machine. So, let's go to the washing machine. The washing machine. Let's go. You're coming with me? Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Alright, so I'm putting it in the stocking. Bye-bye, secret number. Bye-bye, secret number. Say bye-bye, secret number. Alright, and let's see here. I'm going to show you what's happening here. So, power. I'm going to select just a spin cycle. Okay. In it goes. There it goes. Okay. And should we check back and see if it shredded it? Okay, see you soon. Beeping means the spin cycle's done. Let's see what happened. That totally didn't work. Look. Look. My number is still intact. It's still there. So it's not really a paper shredder by just spinning, is it?
No.
No. And if you add water and you do it in a spin cycle, that's kind of cheating because the water will disintegrate the paper. So this is false. That was a false advertising. This was false. Can you say false?
False.
Can you say failure?
Fire.
Can you say it's not a shredder?
It's not a shredder.
It's a washing machine.
It's a washing machine.
Silly billies. Can you say silly billies?
Silly billies.
My number. Someone could steal my number. Whoa, someone's going crazy. Crazy, crazy. All right. What? See? He knows the number too. It's not safe. We're not safe. So, no testing 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. A washing machine is a washing machine and not a paper shredder without water. Boom.